host, take your seats.
Alright, nandito yan ang contracts. Yan, contracts and towels ko yun.
Grabe. Grabe ang anticipation, excited. Siyempre, magpa-message muna tayo, magpa-hello muna tayo sa ating mga contracts. Ayan na.
Alright. Simulan muna natin kay Mr. Baron Geisler.
Pero teka lang, ayan na, parang nagde-decide sila. Sino ba ang umupo sa gitna? Sino ba daw? Nagkakahiya pa si Ian, si Richard, tsaka si Daniel, pero nagbigay pugay sila. Kay Kuya.
Yes.
Kay Kuya. Kuya Ian.
Hello, Happy New Year. Ito na po ang ikot dito, ilang araw na lang. Sana ay supporta kami ng lahat.
Thank you so much, Mr. Daniel Padilla.
Ng ating kasang ikot dito. Pero, ladies and gentlemen, may request na po kami. Would it be okay to stand up about face for a good photo op with our fans?
Yes. With our ayan. We would also like to ask, yung ilaw po, pwede po i-off against the light po kasi.
Yeah, thank you.
Alright, thank you so much. Again, the cast of Incognito! Ayan.
Alright, let's go. In 1, 2, 3, pose and smile. Daniel, goals that you want to achieve, kahit top of mind goal.
Siguro yung magawa at matapos namin ng maigi itong ginagawa namin show na Incognito. And for me, my goal now is to make music again. So,
is sobrang dami. My character kasi I play sniper, surgeon, doctor. So, very intelligent and precise yung character. Yung mga characters ko before, puro mga nasa sabaw! Nagkukulay siya sa abangan nila. Abangan.
New Year's resolution or New Year goal niya is to be dependable.
Oo.
From the character.
At sabi nga ni Baron, kumbaga yung character niya dito, natadala niya, IRL. Yes. Alright, thank you, Baron. And speaking of Kyla, these questions are for you. Okay.
Alright, so first of all, ang ganda ng glasses mo.
Yes.
Bagay ko bagay.
That is the balance. I love it.
It's
Yes.
a balance, the minor balance. But of course, Kyla, you also went through a lot of... I was able to manifest it. So it's really like a dream come true for me to be Incognito. I feel like the character in itself and just being a part of Incognito is already so different. Like I said, it's action. It's also my first
Makatahin niyo na nga si DJ.
action. Kaya, personality, skills, talagang sobrang iba from anything that I've ever done. Kaya, I feel like nagtitrain ko lang kami ng lahat. I've already grown. Hindi ko kami nagsisimula ng nagtito. Ang dami kami nagtito. So, yeah, super happy to be a part of this project and it's really, really very different.
Ito, Kyla, makita lang, if Max Alvero had a playlist, if meron daw playlist si Max Alvero, ano daw ang kanyang top song?
One last group pic with the host, tapos one last cast picture. Okay, in 3, 2, 1. Go. 2, 1. Okay, in the next
Right now, once again, our grand total with the cast members of Incognito.
Yay! Okay? Right, 3, 2, 1. Once again, cast of Incognito! Diba?
Yes! Once again, palatawaran po natin Christopher Maging! Maghina na po tayo ang ating Chinese Valisa na guys na naka-start the Hits of the Genius. We hope this time will be memorable for all of you because this is for you to get us out on the premiere of
Naiiwan ka na! May ipit ko. Oh, papa! Ako pa!